Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, disable rewrite with Copilot Popup in Microsoft Edge. First method is open Microsoft Edge, click 3 dots, click Settings. Click Language. Turn off Use Compose AI writing on the web. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft, click Edge. Create new D-word 32-bit value named as compose in line enabled, change value data to 0. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.